YouTube. Today we get to play a Fide master. That's 2300. On chess.com he was rated like high 1700, so I'm wondering like why is his rating so low? On move 8, I drop a pawn and an exchange. That means I give up a rook and a pawn for a bishop. Hey man, I keep the attitude. I start looking at the imbalances in the position. Hey, we got his light squared bishop. Maybe I can attack him on the light squares. You'll see what happened in the game, but all I could say is I was busted. Yeah, man. Guys, look at this. I got a Fide master. How he has this Fide master title, I don't know. We talked about this move in another game. I want to play F5. It's probably wrong, but I'm doing it. I'm a bad person, I think I said. I think I'm a bad person for playing F5. He's rated 1797. Which you would expect a Fide master to be rated higher, right guys? I'm gonna try and beat this guy. Whatever reason his rating is low, I don't care. We're just gonna try and beat a Fide master. We beat FMs before, right? I think I play this move. Get castled. Yep, just castle. Queen B3. I think I literally give the pawn up. Gotta do this. Jonathan Thrasher, Jonathan No Love Thrasher with 200 stars, because half the time his stars don't even pop. Right. Now I'm gonna play this. Wait. Maybe this move. You can play F4. I still think the castle comes too early. Nathan W. Oh God, I lose. Hey, you know what? Light squares. Light squares. Guys, I just freaking dropped a freaking exchange. I just dropped an exchange. Okay. The queen is already on this diagonal. Well, you know, I can win a pawn. I can just take. He won a pawn though. See, he missed something already. Screw the textbook, play like a madman, Charlie. Yep, and now we'll take this. And he'll probably play F4. Look at this, you love to see it, folks. You'll love to see the weaknesses coming. Let us come back. Wait. What piece isn't rocking in the world? Rocking the chess world, this piece is not. He has played this move. I feel like I want to play push. This knight is pinned. Can we do anything with it? Screw the textbook, play like a madman. I'm going to have to. Joseph. Chris G says, Charlie, hello, new to stream, brother. Definitely digging your vibe. Chris, thank you. Thank you so much, man. You look like a cool dude. Looks like you're with somebody that loves you. Yeah, man, welcome to the family, man. I'm looking at D5, man. I'm looking at D5. Pawn takes. Knight takes, bishop takes with the battery. It opens the knight. I'm thinking D5. Guys, I was a couple minutes late, man. And you know why? I have a memory. You know how you remember you have something and you can't find it? Well, you know my house is small. Oh, it could be in here. I'm not gonna look for it now. I have one spot, two spots where I have papers and old booklets and small stuff, greeting cards and, you know, memories, postcards. And I'm like, I'm gonna go get some of my score sheets and we'll look at one of my old games. Like when I was playing tournaments, man, when I was like rated 17, 18, 1900. I thought it'd be fun to look at an old game, maybe find one against an expert, you know, that I beat, and look at the game. And I guess I don't have them then. I found both games that my daughters played against Susan Polgar, and I was taking the notation. And in addition to watching both games, running back and forth, talking to people, being interested in the games, rooting for my kids, I totally screwed up the freaking score, man. I mean, I looked at both games and like by move 6, like I can't read the word what I wrote. Kind of sucks. I think I have to just go, guys. I have to go to keep things open. We got to break in the middle while we can, folks. Charly going rogue. Oh, guys, I freaking blew this already. I'm playing a Fide master. I want to be my titled player. Let's keep going. I was busted. But I have to work the light squares in the I don't like this bishop over here. Like, this is a move. I'd have to play back. I'm saying go in swinging like a warrior. Are you suggesting maybe that I come at him like a spider monkey? Yep, the problem is it trades down, but it opens the bishop, guys. And it sets up the bat rays. Get the bat ray, and this square will be under attack. So he probably shouldn't take now. I think bishop e3, well, it loses. Because this can come, this can be an idea later. Okay, we take, obviously we keep the queens on. Look at the bishops, guys. Look at the bishops. Look at the king, look at the rook. Everything plays. Dave Ball says, I just got here. How'd your queen end up on a8? It's when I dropped a pawn and an exchange. Look at my position, man. It's not bad, guys. Okay, right. Giving up this pawn. Now, if I play check, he can defend the pawn. Because bishop take, yeah. So I think I have to do this now. And drop my knight. And then play bishop check, discovered attack, win the queen. You see what I'm saying? Takes, if queen takes knight, I have bishop check. He has one move to interpose the rook. Bishop takes check, king takes, discovery, picking up the freaking queen. That's an idea. I think it's bishop takes. In a blitz game, I'm playing it instantly. Right now, I have to sit on my freaking hands. I got 8 minutes, we're making coffee. I'm not rushing this. Let's make some coffee with the coffee cam. An exclusive Charly Sardo gaming merchandise, like the It's a Move coffee mug. Type merch for more information. Okay, folks, you love to see it. We have compensation. The knight is the worst piece on the board. I think I'm going to take this and then threaten bishop check. Yep, he probably should play rook takes, queen takes, takes with the rook, and we are just up a pawn. Oh, he took it. Really? What did I miss, guys? What did I miss? What did I miss? What did I miss? He didn't see it? Guys, we might have just took it to FM. Guys, we might have just beat FM. With tactics. I did puzzles today. I just played good moves, man. What did we say, guys? We said light squares. We took the character of the position. But if rook up, bishop takes, if he doesn't take and plays like king over, then I have bishop check, queen comes in with check. Yeah, they're just getting mated. Guys, Tactics Tuesday, baby. Woo! You love to freaking see it, folks. Charly finally pulls something off. Fide master, Patzer from Megan. He's FM, man. But he's only rated 1800, 1797. But still. We got it, guys. Our worthy opponent was born in 1942. That explains his rating has come down a little bit because he's 80 years old, okay? He still plays better than almost everybody that plays chess and better than me. He's rated like 200 points higher than me. The guy's a beast. So I want to say thank you for the game, Patzer from Egan. Appreciate you.